Hey guys, like I said, the problem is doing this one-handed. So the little white thing that you saw in there, pretty much the door handle needs to be in the down position like this, all the way in. You can see it's out just a little bit, and that thing's supposed to slide, kind of hooks and slides, and the back is supposed to meet, the back white part is supposed to meet with the back of the black part. I'm not sure if there's any other way to describe it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go through, line the clips on top, line the clips on the bottom here, and pretty much back your way through, all the way through the door, make sure everything holds up. Final part is you should have 2 screws. I only have one. One's supposed to be up here, and one's supposed to be back here. Put those 2 screws in, and as well as 2 screws on the door, one under here and one in the back here. And to more or less seal the deal, take your fake wood trim here, line it up, and push it gently in. That's it, guys. If you have any questions or issues, let me know. I can tell you as a proof, without getting a copyright strike, sounds fantastic. These speakers been in here for 20 years, so it's definitely time for their replacement. I'm gonna have to try to fix some of the clips on the left-hand side because those clips are missing. Anyway, any questions, issues? Until next time, take care.